Happy Independence Day, my people. Nigeria is 65. I have a whole lot of stuff packed up for you guys. And I'm going to dish them out small. Very interesting and educative stuff today. Let me start with the comedy. Make I first spark on a day. Make una get some smiles. Put some smiles for your face. Let's start with this. Watch this.
Let me give you a joke. 3 Nigerians, a Yoruba man, an Igbo man, and a Hausa man, were involved in an accident. And they died. Immediately they died. Angel Gabriel appeared to them that, look, although you are dead, I can resurrect you if you pay me 5 million pounds. Oh, the Igbo man said, 5 million pounds? No problem, I'll pay it. He quickly paid it. And he just found himself standing up from the accident spot. The angel went to the Yoruba man. The Yoruba man said, about 5 million is too plenty now. Can't you take 3 million? I'll pay you 3 million, or even, okay, 4 million. The angel says, no, it's fine. He said, okay, if that is the condition, I'll pay. The Yoruba man stood up. The angel went to the Hausa man and said, look. The Hausa man said, ba wahala, just send the bill to the federal government of Nigeria. You see, the joke there is that the Northerners depend solely on the federal government of Nigeria, which was true to an extent some years back. But some people say Obasanjo has been able, within the 8 years he was in government, to drastically reduce the power of the North. And I think many top Northerners today don't want to forgive him because he drew the carpet. And as some people say, it will take the North another 25 years to undo the damage Obasanjo has done to the North. But in doing so, he was trying to balance the power in Nigeria. He was able to restructure the army. He was able to restructure many of the parastatals, even though he decided to scrap many of the parastatals, which were the backbone for the Northerners, to draw that carpet and make sure that, no one region, has the hold on the federation.